Hey people, welcome back. If you have recently completed your stream training or you are about to finish it, then this video is very important for you. Many candidates are confused about what happens after the stream training and what is like many people ask questions like what is capstone project, what is like hands-on assessment, how the Viva is going to be conducted. Will everything happens on our laptop or on the Accenture virtual machine? And what kind of project will we get based on our stream. In this video, I will explain everything in a very simple way so that you know exact what to expect. Okay. So before moving to the video, please subscribe to our channel Gen Z Tech for latest hiring updates. So first, let's understand what is Capstone project. So Capstone project is similar to your final year engineering project. Build a complete application from the project, right? In the engineering final year you have to build it from the scratch, right? So you have to build this application also, this capstone project also, from the scratch, okay, based on your stream. So problem statement based on your stream will be provided by the Accenture. Okay, no starter code will be given for you people. Everything is based on your stream training, okay, syllabus itself. No need to worry, no need to worry. Out of there will be no out of syllabus questions also. Okay, so let's move towards the capstone project timeline. Okay, so starts immediately after the stream training. This is important. Okay, this capstone project is going to start immediately after the your stream training. Okay, the next day it will only, the next working day only it may start. Okay, the timing will be provided in the mails. Okay, in the mails it's already been rolling out for many candidates in the batch wise. Okay, don't worry. So there are many like rounds. Okay, MCQ1, MCQ2, hands-on assessment and capstone project. Everything regarding this they have sent you mail. Okay, about that mail I have already made one of the video and I have uploaded in my channel, so please check out. I will be providing that link over here. Okay, and then around 5 working days will be provided for you people to complete this capstone project. This is important, this is the deadline. Okay, weekends are generally not counted. Okay, no need to worry. If your stream training is going to complete on Friday, your actual count will start from the Monday, next week Monday, kind of like that. Okay, so complete. Okay, this is very very important. Understand the requirement. Okay, understand the problem statement, design it, whether what things you need to, what skills and what technologies you need to use to design to develop that particular project. Okay, design it and then develop it. Okay, very very important. You have to develop it, test it, and then testing is very very important. If you are using like if you are in the Java full stack, you have to use JUnit, Mockito and all kind of like that. And then in the deployment, this is important. If required, if they have told you in the project capstone project requirement, if they have told you to deploy the project, then you have to deploy it by making use of DevOps tools if they have taught you. And then you have to check, quality check. Okay, for example, quality check means kind of like sonar cube. Okay, in the full stack you might have learned, if you are from full stack, they might taught you sonar cube for the quality check of your code. Submit before the deadline, very very important. They will be giving you a deadline, okay, in the mail. Okay, the based on the deadline you have to submit it, okay, before only. Okay, and late submission will be affect your evaluation. Okay, it will affect your evaluation. Please submit, okay, before the deadline. Okay, it will usually be unproctored. Okay, you have to build this project in the in the unproctored environment. Okay, make use of AI, build it. Okay, it will be very fine. And let AI tell AI to explain that particular project, explain the understand the flow and explain what questions they might interviewer might ask you based on that particular project. Ask AI itself, it will tell you, understand it, read it, understand, and then you can answer that particular questions also. Now coming to the evaluation, okay, project caption project evaluation. Approximate weightage is like for building the project is 40%. This is important. The more weightage is for Viva, right? So caption project you will be, however, you will be building it and you will be submitting it before the deadline itself. So the thing is the understanding and the questions you will be facing for in the Viva. Okay, this is very very important. You have to understand the flow, you have to understand the project, you have to, okay, like prepare for every question. Okay, weightage is may vary for depending on the batches. Okay, no worries about this. Okay, you keep you keep it in your mind, this thing, the more weightage is for Viva, so your understanding is important. Okay, so the thing is like Viva question, next thing. Okay, interviewer questions are mainly based on your capstone project. This is important. Okay, whatever I have told in the Viva, 60% will be weightage, right? So more questions they will ask you whatever you have built. Okay, for one of my friend from previous batch, they asked him what is like he was from the Java full stack. Okay, so they asked him what is auto word, what are the five, like there is some principle, right, in the Spring Boot. I got forgot about that. Okay, that principle and all. What is IOC controller? How you fetch the response request from how you send the request from front end to back end, back end to front end. How you got the data in the JSON or in the Java object form. Everything they asked, they like squeeze him. Okay, so please be prepared for that. Okay, everything. Okay, assigned stream. Okay, the questions are mainly based on the assigned stream itself. Okay, common questions are like these questions may also ask why did you choose this approach. Okay, for building, for example, if you have chosen full stack Java, they may ask you like why you have opted the MVC architecture, kind of like that. Okay, explain your project and which technologies it used. Okay, like front end for front end React, back end Java, Spring Boot, kind of like that. Okay, how does your application works? You have to explain the workflow also, very very important. Challenges faced and improvements you can make. Okay, improvements you can make. Okay, this is important. Challenges faced, like for example, if I want to share my experience in one of my interview for Big Four company, for some company, they ask me what challenges faced you, kind of like that in the interview. It's the internally over that, that's the different thing. And I told them about JWT before we implemented like basic authentication and we switched to um, JWT. Why, he asked, why did you switch from basic authentication to JWT? We was required for that project. We was required the multiple users, so we chosen the JWT. I explained that workflow and all. So he told, okay, good, like that. Okay, so leave about that. So improvements you can make. Okay, everything you have to tell on your own. Okay, ask GPT, it will tell, right? Okay, the next thing is many people has a confusion like what is capstone project and what is hands-on assessment, right? So capstone project is complete project from the scratch. You have to build it from the scratch based on the project sorry, problem statement. Okay, no starter code will be provided. Around 5 working days will be given for you people to build this particular project. Okay, usually it will be unproctored. Okay, okay, that's the benefit. You can make your help of AI tools and all. So what is hands-on assessment? This is important. So hands-on assessment, you might have heard it before, right? In the pre-onboarding Accenture assess in the pre-onboarding assessment from Accenture, right? In this, you already know that the existing project is already prepared, right? The project structure is already ready. Most of the code will be already exist. You have to write the missing business logic you have to write, and it will be human proctored. This is important. It will not, you can't take help of AI, I guess. You have to build right on your own that particular business logic. Okay, logic, everything you have to write or your own business. It will be business proctor, sorry, human proctored. Around 3 hours of time will be given. Test your understanding of existing project, how much knowledge you can understand, how much like flow, how much you can understand based on your if we give you if they give you the existing project, they are checking this, they are testing you. Okay, how you can understand that particular project if they give you a project, kind of like that. Okay, so now let's understand the virtual machine. Okay, workflow, because this is another area where many candidates have doubts. Both the capstone project and the hands-on assessment are generally completed on an Accenture provided virtual machines. Okay, they will be giving you virtual machine. Okay, you have to go in that and then you have to do, okay, the capstone project and as well as the hands-on assessment. Okay, first you will be receiving an email. This is important. Okay, first step will be, you will be receiving the email, okay, of project files, data set, zip folder. Okay, like zip folder of these two things, project files and data set, they will be you will be receiving. Project file means like, uh, for hands-on assessment they will be giving you, okay, already code will be written, they will be sending you that particular file. Okay, you have to, what you have to do, I will be telling you in the next steps. Okay, so data sets will be also given if it's required, and then zip folder they will be sending you, okay, in through email. The next step is like download files in the local desktop. Okay, local desktop, you download it, extract the files inside the okay, no, sorry, transfer files to Accenture virtual machine. This is important. From the local machine you have to transfer it to Accenture virtual machine. From Accenture virtual machine, in the actual Accenture virtual machine, in that you have to extract zip files. Okay, extract it, okay, inside the VM virtual machine, complete coding, okay, develop it, okay, and complete your project work, and then you have to compress it in the, okay, that is a final project. You have to compress it and include if required like screenshots or PDF. Okay, if it's required, if they have mentioned in the readme or in the problem statement. Okay, the next step is like transfer zip back to the local desktop. Okay, transfer zip back to the local desktop, and then from the local desktop you have to upload on the metal platform before deadline. All these things they will be providing you people in the, like, in that particular mail. Okay, you have to understand, read it, and then you upload it carefully. Okay, they will be providing you link or something kind of like that, you have to upload it there. Okay, in the metal platform itself, somewhere they will be providing link, okay, there. So now let's see what kind of projects you can expect in the different stream. So I talked to the previous batch people, some of the people, okay, in the different streams, they told me some of the inputs can, that I'm explaining here. Okay, so for the front end stream, you usually need to build an application using React. Okay, tasks include in that application or like reusable components. If you know React, you know components and all. That is class components and function components. UI design, you have to build it like, you have to, yeah, you have to decorate it by making use of CSS. They might ask, okay, state management, this is important in the React. Management is important. Use state, use effect, use context, use ref, everything. Okay, routing, React router down. Okay, you might know if you know React. API integration, how you will be like fetching the data from the backend. Okay, kind of like that. Deployment, if they told you to deploy it in the Vercel or Netlify or in the, by making use of some kind of tools, DevOps tools, you have to deploy it. Okay, and quality checks. Some of the quality check tools might come for the React. You have to check if they taught you in the stream training. They will tell you to check it. Okay, you have to check it. And cloud data engineering, GCP, work on the Google platform. Okay, Google cloud platform, you have to work on the cloud platform. Like task includes or create GCP project, cloud storage buckets, BigQuery, data flow, Python scripts, enable GCP API, build simple data pipelines. Okay, these are the things they one of my friend told. Okay, like, you may expect this type of things, okay, only, okay, in the capstone and hands-on projects. Okay, and then in the Java full stack with GenAI. Okay, then build a complete Java full stack application. For front end you have to use React, for back end you have to use Spring Boot, data JPA, Hibernate, microservices and all, and database will be MySQL. Okay, and the additional tasks are like API integration, API testing, deployment, Sonar quality check. See, for full stack people, for checking the quality of a particular code of the backend, the SonarCube is one of the tool. Okay, leave about that. If you know, if you are from full stack, they might taught you. Okay, and they may ask you to check your code quality also in the capstone or hands-on project. Okay, and moving towards the data engineering, Hadoop and Spark. So expected technologies are HDFS, Hive SQL, Spark SQL, and Kafka. Tasks are like data transmission, Hive queries, publish messages, and consume messages, kind of like that. And then data engineering in the Databricks, okay, data pipelines, data processing, create data tables, Databrick platform, this kind of in this thing they may ask you to build the project, okay. In this also this is different, okay. Hadoop and Spark is different, PySpark and all, okay. This Databricks is different, okay. And the data engineering, Snowflake, how much data engineers are there, man? Okay, so this in this they may tell you to transform the CSV files, Snowflake, create database tables, create data tables, visualization, cortex features and all, okay. If you are that from that particular streams, okay, okay, know, okay, understand this knowledge, these topics and all, okay, it will be helpful for building the projects and all. And other stream people, this is important. See, as per the gathered information, I got this much information from the previous batch students, okay. So other stream students connect with the previous batch employees. What else I can do? If I will be like keep in touch with them, if I get any other stream people, if I talk to any other stream people, if they give me information, I will definitely be being provided in the on the further videos, okay. You also keep connecting and keep asking for other people for previous batch employees contacts and all, okay. The one more hack I may tell you, like search in the LinkedIn, okay. In the LinkedIn, you may get many people, they will be who are hired 3 months before, 2 months before, 1 month before, or like 6 months before. They may ask for them, okay, based on your tech stack or stream, right? And learn project exceptions, okay, expectations, okay, before starting. Like you create your like small projects, okay, in which your particular stream, okay. It will be very helpful. Upcoming competency exam, this is important. There is a one more like competency exam, okay, assessment, okay. This is important. Separate detailed guide video I will be providing in the further videos, okay. The further videos I will be telling about the competency exam, everything. So leave about this. Focus on the MCQ1, MCQ2, hands-on assessment, and capstone project, okay. It may there, it may not there, it's still in doubt, okay. Okay, I will be providing the, okay, regarding this information in the further videos if it is there, okay. So conclusion is like capstone project will be is important, like hands-on capstone project, hands-on assessment, Viva. In this video we discussed capstone project, hands-on assessment, Viva, VM workflow, and stream wise expectations. And see, VM means like hands-on assessment, and as well as the capstone project usually will be happen in the VMs, okay, Accenture virtual machine itself. Prepare well, okay. I hope you understood everything, right? Prepare well and complete everything before the deadline, right? So I hope this video cleared all your doubts regarding the capstone project, hands-on assessment, Viva, virtual machine workflow, and stream-wise project expectations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Gensetic for more Accenture updates. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.